bad view to have to look at while you're cutting. Today is Tuesday, I think. I had to leave and run to the store real quick. And there's little Shelby. I said, sis, run my combine, I gotta go. There she is. Hayden's running cart. So proud of our kids. Hey everyone, today is August 25th and we finished up cutting barley around lunchtime today, and then we had to come about 20 or 25 miles west across the valley, and we're currently cutting some durum wheat for our neighbor, and that's our house. So it's just right across the road from us, and it's doing really good, going about 130, and we just have about a 15-mile haul, so it's really not too bad at all. And then after this, we, I think, are waiting on another circle of durum to come ready, and then I think we'll be starting canola. So yeah, everything is going good. Beautiful day, and definitely cutting close to home. Hey everyone, today is Thursday the 26th, I think. So we are just finishing up the durum that our neighbor grows, and she has been dying to run cart all summer by himself. And we've been going hard, and Hayden was just feeling exhausted, and so we're like, Sissy, you just sleep in. And so Chase has been over here this morning helping me blow stuff off, grease, fuel, all that kind of stuff, while my dad and Ryan took trucks into the elevator because we're racing some rain this morning. So little Chaser is 9, and he is running cart for us today. He's a little nervous to go on the go yet, so I told him just wait for me and I will come up. And we're so proud of our kids this year. They've been absolutely amazing. I don't know if you can see him in there. He's so tiny in that big tractor. So sorry, it's super windy. We have a storm pushing from the north, but it's an exciting day for us. This is our new to us combine. This will be the one that Shelby runs. And you can see the girls up top, they're checking everything out. They are very excited. When we first started harvesting back in 06, that's all we ran. We ran 1480 case combines, and we went to New Holland in 15, and Ryan wanted to have a case back in the fleet, so here she is. We're trying to figure out the bin extensions. They're a little bit different than what we're used to. Hey guys, today is Saturday. I'm not sure of the day. So I was out cutting. We're cutting some durum wheat, and I told Brian, I was like, my combine feels weird. I said, it's got a weird shake. Not even 5 seconds later, this god-awful sound. And hopefully I can show you guys. My shaker shoe broke. I don't know if you can see that. So I am gonna blow it off, and Ryan's friend Jason, Uncle Jason to the kids, he has a machine shop and a portable welder, so I'm gonna get this cleaned off, and then hopefully we can get it fixed today so we can get this durum done. So glad it's fixable because I love my combine very much. Today is Saturday the 28th, and it is a beautiful sunshiny day. We're actually out at the Schmishik Lake fishing, and Colston's over on the other dock over there, just hanging out. It rained yesterday, so we weren't able to cut yesterday, and we were able to go to the outlaw football game last night, and they beat the number 4 team in the state 40-38 with a last second stop on a 2-point conversion for them, keeping them from tying the game. So it was a really awesome game to go watch, and so now I'm just enjoying a day with the boys. Today is August 29th, and I am actually home. I am making some homemade biscuits. We all enjoyed church this morning here in Powers Lake. The whole crew went. They came home, and then we got some lunch made, and they're back out at the fields. Since it's a weekend, Colston's actually took his combine back over, so I was able to stay home, and I'll be taking them dinner out tonight. We are going to have some good weather this week. They should finish up the canola today, and then we'll be starting on some durum sometime this week.
We're going to set our draper wheel for the second hole, just because we're going to leave a little stubble height. First thing we do is make sure the header's locked on. Most important part of this process. Then we'll hook up our PTO shaft. Then we'll do our hydraulic couplers. I like to use brake cleaner to make sure there's no dirt whatsoever that gets in the couplers. Then there's an extra wire for the MacDons to run the header tilt. And then on a MacDon, you put these unlocked on so it'll float. We gotta have them locked up on the header trailer. Then we'll walk around and unlock the float on the other side. I'm gonna set the gauge wheel the same height. We're off cutting.
So my video earlier today said they were going to get into some durum after they finished the canola, but it was too wet, so we're just pulling into some flax now. So he's just fixing to make the first round. A lot of people don't really know what flax looks like, so this is the plant. Little teeny tiny little balls. And then when you open them up, it's a really flat seed. So it's small. So that's what the seed looks like. This is an oil seed. So they just have these little tiny balls on the plant.